Welcome to the Zolmi Success Academy. In this video, you will learn how to sell gift cards online with your Zolmi account. The benefits of using Zolmi to sell gift cards online include boosting cash flow, get paid upfront with every gift card sale, bringing in revenue even before the service is booked, attracting new and returning clients. Gift cards are often purchased by current clients but redeemed by new ones. It's an easy way to grow your customer base. Additional sales, no extra work. Sell gift cards online around the clock, whether your salon is open or not. Perfect for last-minute gifts or holiday rushes. What is more, almost 70% people spend more than the value of their gift card. To enable the sale of gift cards online, firstly go to the payment section. To sell gift cards online with Zolmi, you will need to activate a Zolmi Pay account, which is in partnership with Stripe, one of the world's largest payment providers. To create a Stripe account, please follow the instructions on your screen. Once you have created your Zolmi Pay account, you will then have the option to accept online deposits from clients when booking appointments. Asking for a deposit from a client for their treatment can reduce no-shows. You will also have the ability to sell gift cards online. Once you have chosen how you wish to use Zolmi Pay, click on Gift Cards. You are able to set an expiry date for your gift cards. Please be aware that if you are setting an expiry date for your gift cards, that you have checked your local laws regarding their expiry. Some states in the USA and some countries around the world do not allow gift cards to have an expiry date. If you wish to sell gift cards online, please activate the switch. With Zolmi, you will have a dedicated link which you can share with your clients, and this will take them directly to the page where they are able to purchase a gift card. You also can add this link to your website and SMS marketing campaigns. Don't forget, you are able to send SMS blasts from within your Zolmi account. If you are looking to run a promotion to grow your gift card sales during certain times of the year, for example Mother's Day or the holidays, you are able to do so with Zolmi. To enable this, activate the promotion switch. You will then be able to choose whether you add a bonus or discount value to all online gift card purchases. Please be aware that these promotional offers are only available for online purchases and not gift cards which are purchased in store. Whether you are choosing to add a bonus or discount value, you will need to add the percentage by which you want to add to your promotion. Please be aware that you do not have to run a promotional offer to sell gift cards online, and we are just showing you this additional feature. You are able to set your terms and conditions for purchasing and using a gift card. Zolmi has pre-added a template for you. This default policy is for guidance only and is not intended to constitute legal advice. Once completing this section, click Save. We will now take you through how the process looks for a client purchasing your gift cards via your booking page. This screen shows you your gift card purchase with no added bonus or discount. This screen shows you what it would look like if you added a bonus or discounted value. Gift cards can be either purchased and see as a gift to someone or directly for the purchase. Once the client has filed out their details, they can then choose if they would like the gift card sent immediately or a date in the future. If they choose a date in future, they will be asked for the date and Zolmi will send the gift card email on this date automatically. Click on Pay. Once the gift card has been purchased, the client will have option to download the gift card voucher to pass on to the recipient. If the gift card is sent to a recipient, they will receive an email with their gift card code, which they can then bring to their appointment and use against their treatment. Redeeming and tracking. Gift cards with Zolmi is easy. When a client wants to pay with a gift card, just choose Gift Card as the payment method at checkout and enter their gift card code. Choose the amount and click Pay. If there's any balance left on the gift card, the unused amount is automatically assigned to that client's profile. So next time, it will be applied automatically at checkout until the gift card is either used up or expires. Zolmi gives you a simple way to track your gift card sales and usage. In your financial summary, you'll see the total value of gift cards sold, redeemed, and outstanding. So you always know what's coming in and what's still available. For deeper tracking, head to the gift card report. It shows when each gift card was created, the expiration date, the full value of the card, and how much has been redeemed so far. With all the key details in one place, you can stay organized, track client spending, and manage gift cards with ease. That concludes how to set up selling gift cards online using your Zolmi account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.